how to crop a video in Capcut on your iPhone. So on Capcut, you do have a feature to crop a video. It's really simple, so let's go through it. So you can go to Capcut, and I'm just going to pick a project here. It doesn't really matter what it is. So I'm just going to make this easy and select this clip. And what we can do is once you have the clip selected, you're going to get some options here at the bottom of your screen, and you just want to select crop. So what that's going to do is going to pull up this grid, and you'll be able to make this smaller, and it will automatically focus in, and you'll be able to choose what you want in your video with that cropped selection. So I'm just going to focus in really quick here and just make sure that I pick a right spot. And then once you're satisfied with what you want, go ahead and hit the check mark at the very top right-hand corner. And then if you were to play the video, I'm going to quickly just mute this. Actually, no, I will not. Here, we can go ahead and put the volume down. So now when you play the video, you can go ahead and play it, and the video that you chose, the clip that you chose, was super zoomed in because it's the clip that we specifically cropped. And then once you pass that video, it goes back to its regular dimensions here, and you can go through and crop different clips if you want. And then you hit export and save it the way you want. And that's it. That's how you would go about cropping a video in your Capcut projects.